What's good, y'all? Today I make my own Risk of Rain 2 theme in FL Studios. I've been playing Risk of Rain 2 a lot. One of the things I really do love about the game is the music. I mean, bro, just listen to this. I mean, you can't lie and say it wasn't fire, bro. I mean, just listen to it. After playing the game for a bit, I was like, let me just make my own theme for the game. So I'm gonna play a little clip of what that sounds like. Hey, let's not pay attention to the last part. Moving on, let's jump right into making the soundtrack, okay? So, first thing I start off with a synth from Synology. It's the 700 something, I don't know. I forgot the name of it, but it sounds fire, and that's all that matters. I laid that down as a bass and added a perk and a clap with some reverb on it to give it that spacey effect, you know, make it feel like we're on a mysterious planet or something like that. And then I threw in a wind sound effect also from Synology. Had to add some acoustic drums. Added electric piano from Synology again. I mean, at this point, they might as well sponsor me. I don't know. Then I added a dark bass because we need tension, you know, something to make it feel like we're actually fighting a big group of enemies or a boss. And I added whatever bell this is, just sounded cool. And if you old enough, you should instantly recognize this sound from a classic. I needed a drum fill to transition into the main part of the soundtrack. Also, I threw in some drum accents to give it a more of an impact. Then I was like, hold on, bro. You know what this missing? A lead guitar. You know I had to add it.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, chill on me, bro. Look, Here's the real thing. I did it in one take, man. Y'all just gotta believe me. Just watch it, bro. Fire, man. I ain't gonna play the whole thing, but hey, y'all know that was fire, right? Alright, so look, I stopped recording at this point. Well, I stopped recording my camera and all that, but I was still cooking up. I know y'all can't see my beautiful face no more, but hey, it's okay, bro. Yeah. I added this some stereo sound, which is actually me just copy and pasting the bell sound from earlier, because why not? It sounds fire. Then I layered another sound to complement the lead guitar. Freestyle some background chords, filling the space. And I also added a horn solo, and yes, it was 100% a one-take performance. Trust me, bro. And to close it out, I wanted a sad piano ending because Risk Rain runs always end up paying for me. Alright, so I'm going to play some of the soundtrack with gameplay in the background, but if you want to hear the full track, it'll be on Spotify, Apple Music, and every other streaming service. So just hit the link in the bio or just look up King Life Beats on all platforms. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what game I should make a soundtrack for next. Thanks for watching, I'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Bye.